So how could you update your iPad with Personal Hotspot? So that would be updating the iPad without a Wi-Fi connection. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So of course, make sure you have the Personal Hotspot ready, likely on the iPhone like that. And on the iPad, just go to the section for Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to it and everything is set up, right? So if we don't have any Wi-Fi connection, only to Personal Hotspot, you can go to the iPad's settings, tap on General, and click on a software update. And it kind of depends on the update and that is available to us. So you can see if I go in there, it tells me that it is unable to download because the data mode on my iPhone on the Personal Hotspot is set to the low data mode, and if when that is turned on, downloads are paused. So I need to turn off the low data mode, or it tells me to switch to the Wi-Fi. But if I want to stick with the Personal Hotspot, I'm gonna go to the iPhone and essentially change it from the low data mode to the normal mode. So on my iPhone, I'm going to go to the settings, go to the cellular section, and tap on this option, and you can see that I can find the low data mode right there. But once you switch from the, let's say, low data mode to the standard or allow more data on 5G, it should give you the ability to install it or download it normally onto your iPad, even through the cellular connection and through the hotspot. So let me know if you managed to fix it on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.